The focus of this video is taking back control over your life. The main idea is to not give up entirely after failing once. Watch this video if you have tried to make a change in your life but felt like stopping and can do nothing about it. Now for a quick pause. Nothing is more valuable than your time. Thank you for investing it in what I have to say. It means a lot to me. I especially want to thank the 12 people that still support me, and I welcome the 18 new. Back to the main video. I advise you to think for yourself and not blindly follow what I have to say. My current view may change in the future. Let's say you want to make a change in your life by exercising more. You managed to keep it up for a week, but today is different. Today you don't feel like doing it. What should you do in moments like this? When you wanted to change, you felt like actually starting, and it made sense. Now you feel like no longer wanting to do it, and it also makes sense. Obviously, in this situation, you can't depend on how you feel, because your feelings change every day. So which path should you actually choose, no matter how you feel? Try to imagine what you look like in 10 years, if you stick to either of those paths. If you like one of those versions more than the other, then fight for it no matter how you currently feel. And now this is the part that inspired this video. The battles with your feelings in the beginning are easy, but with every other day it gets harder and harder to fight for your beliefs. There will come a day where your emotions and feelings for giving up are so strong that you just can't fight it. That's when you lose a battle and give up for a moment. As the title states, this lost battle shouldn't mean that you have to give up your dream. It seems like you are back to where you started, but the difference is that you have a lot of experience now. Next time you reach the point where you lost, maybe this time you will succeed. Here are some of my personal examples. The reason I started this channel was to document my journey of becoming a game developer, so I don't give up and help others learn from my mistakes so that their journey is much smoother. I felt like giving up when I realized I am bad at art, music, and basically everything that is not game mechanics. I tried solving it with Unreal's amazing tools and free assets, but that is not the solution, and I feel it as an insult to an artist who has spent his life on how to create amazing art, and here I am as a developer trying to fill in his role. I didn't want to lose the war by giving up from my dream, when in my latest video I decided to become an amazing developer and not focus on my weaknesses. If I manage to earn money from the value I bring, I will hire people that are amazing in the places I am not. Of course, there are outstanding people that can manage to create a game on their own, but that's not who I am. The biggest sign I am addicted to the computer is the priority it has in my life. Being addicted to the computer when you use it for your work and study is like working in a bar as an alcoholic. It's a battle I am losing every minute, but I am still on the lookout for a solution. An easier problem to solve is my sugar addiction. I can manage a day or two without it, but after that I get a strong urge to give up and eat as usual. But now I don't give up entirely after one lost battle, and try to not eat sugar for another 1 or 2 days, and this time maybe reaching 3. I told you my current plan of action when I want to make a change in my life, and it's used in 3 different personal examples. Thank you for watching.